Welcome back to another Japanese candy review by yours truly. Today we have the Hokkaido caramel strawberry. Big fan of Hokkaido, Japan. Great skiing. If you've never been, check it out. Great scenery, great people, great food. Northern Island up near Russia. But this is made by Donan. I think that's how you say it. Caramel can be a bit overwhelming at times. Not a huge caramel fan, but I like it in moderation. And quite frankly, caramel mixed with strawberry sounds delicious. If I had to guess, there's maybe 10 to 15 in here, hopefully. Interesting packaging. You got this kind of creepy illustration on the front of the strawberry head. The strawberry head ballet dancer. I appreciate the illustration and artwork, Japan. I really do. But this one is just a little bit creepy. Something about it. The face, the facial expression. Something about the one eye shut and the mouth like a kind of weird, but we'll go with it. I'm not judging yet. I need to taste it and see the flavor and how it moves my taste buds. So we'll find out, but looks pretty high quality so far. It's got the website on the back. Don't know if you can read that. And of course, caramel strawberry on the side as well. So let's open it. Here we go. All right, the seal is broken. It's got just this plastic sleeve around it. Let's see if we can get this off. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that on and open the top here. So it's got this flap here. Here we go. Give it a smell first. Actually, it smells really good. Okay, I'm excited now. Wow. That smells really good, guys. I wish YouTube had like a smell feature where you could share the smell of food. That would be cool. Okay, so there's a lot in here. There's maybe at least 15 in each row going down, if you can see that. So they're small, but I'm excited about this smell. It's like a light pink color. Looks like a little, what do you call it, starburst? All right, here we go. Ready, guys? Yes. Yes. It's like a creamy dessert. Definitely got the strawberry taste in there. A hint of caramel, not too much. Very chewy. Okay, I can already tell I'm gonna have trouble like not popping these too much because these are really good. I could go through this in a day if I really wanted to, but not going to. It's all right. Wow. I gave it an 8.7 out of 10. That's really good. So, if you can deal with the packaging, which is pretty cool, but a little bit creepy at the same time, highly recommend the Hokkaido caramel strawberry candies. Very good for dessert. Maybe have some wine while you're kicking back in your recliner on a Sunday night. Definitely tasty. So there you go, 8.7. Maybe even an 8.8, let's say. But in this episode, that does it. we'll catch you next time. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.